What's cracking, viewers? Thanks for tuning back in to another episode of Kurt the Car Guy. I got a little project that I'm working on today before I have to go into work, so I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride, and I hope you guys enjoy. So what I got right here is I got two pieces of flat stock, and then I got a couple pieces of angle iron. And these were 3-foot sections, but I cut them down to 17 inches because I have this here tub that I'm going to use to make a homemade fire pit. Because, I mean, what's better than relaxing by a fire with a cold one at the end of the day? So the plan is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the angle here and I'm going to have it this bottom be sitting on the ground, and I'm going to try and weld the flat stock standing up like so that way it spaces it up a total of about 1.25 inches off the ground, and I think that'll help protect the blacktop and everything like that. So I think that'll probably be a good idea. And then I'm gonna tack it to the bottom, and like I said, I figure I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So let's get to welding. And just a little side note too, when you're welding galvanized, make sure you do not breathe in the smoke coming off your welding plume. Otherwise, you'll get what's called welder sickness from the zinc oxide. And trust me, it is not fun. So bear that in mind a little bit too. But anyways, let me show you what I got done so far. So I got my square built right here, and it's a little off, but it'll be fine for what I'm doing. I'm just building a fire pit, so it's not like I'm making this thing perfectly square, measuring corner to corner or anything like that. So there's that part of it. And I got it upside down right now, so I'm gonna weld in the base to the actual tub here. And then I think I might do a cross piece here and here to try and give it a little bit more rigidity. But other than that, I think it's coming out pretty freaking good for just a couple dollars in steel and an old tub. Alright, so I got it all tacked in there. Well, actually, I burned it all in already. And another thing, too, you can tell when you're welding galvanized because you'll get this grayish yellow oxide coating around the edge of there. So be mindful of that, and like I said, don't breathe in that stuff because it's really bad for you. But anyways, I got the base tacked to the tub now. Now the only thing I have to do is cut some slits in here for some airflow, and then I think this project's just about done. And one other little safety tip too, folks. I had a first-hand experience with this morning, actually, when I was cutting the steel for this video. Always make sure you wear some kind of face shield and safety glasses. My glasses are actually safety rated already, but make sure you wear some kind of a face shield because you probably can't see it, but I got a little bit of spalling on my neck and the side of my face this morning, and it's not quite the birthday present that I was hoping for. But either way, just wanted to share that little bit with you too. But now let's get death wheeling. Alright, now we got 8 holes cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now the fire can breathe from underneath, and then it should have a good standoff from the pavement. So let me show you what that's going to look like. Alright, now to me that don't look too bad. Got about probably 1 inch to 1.25 inches of standoff all the way around. And then on the inside, you can see some of that white from the galvanized too. It actually burned through right there. But that's another sign that you got galvanized that you're welding with too. But anyways, yeah, so that's how you make yourself a little cheapo fire pit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all. And be prepared for the cold because it's coming. But anyways, hope y'all are staying healthy out there too. And this is Kurt the Car Guy, signing off.